Hi friends, I'm Sumathi here. Today we're going to discuss environmental science, and it's a part of environmental science as well as the geography, and it's going to be useful for the people who are preparing for KS, IAS and other competitive exams. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. Let us get into today's question. What are the objective of integrated watershed management and catchment area and semi-arid regions of India? This was asked to write 150 words, and before writing answers, first you have to understand when exactly this event has happened, year first of all, and second which 5-year plan it has happened, who was the prime minister then, or and what is the investment, how it got into, what are the benefits and the advantage and disadvantage. This you should have always a short note. So without wasting much time, we'll get into detailed discussion on this. So, the centrally sponsored scheme of integrated watershed management and catchment of flood-prone areas and being implemented in Gangetic Basin since 6th 5-year plan 1980 to 81. That you must be aware that it was a Rajiv Gandhi period. Financing pattern of the scheme is 100% central assistance to state comprising of 50% grants and 50% loan. The object of integrated watershed management schemes are preventions of land degradations by adoptions of a multidisciplinary integrated approach on the catchment areas of flood-prone rivers so as to conserve soil and reduce erosion. Improvement of land capacity and moisture regime in the watersheds and the promotion of land uses of much land capacity and reduce of runoff from the catchment to reduce the peak flow into the river system, and upgradations of the skills in the planning and executions of land development programs. People involved in the management of catchment. The hallmark of the watershed development in the semi-arid regions of India is the undertaking the earthworks and soil conversions of measures and tree plantations. So all the conserve soil measures and recharge under groundwater. So I hope this question answers would be helpful for your answer writing for prelims and the mains. We'll see another questions in this class. Our next question is, which part of India receives more rainfall from the northeast monsoon than from the southwest monsoon? Explain why it is so. So this question was asked in very rarely, and it was asked to write 150 words. The southwest eastern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu coast, receives more rainfall from the east-west monsoon than the southwest monsoon. This is because of two reasons. The first reason is the winter, the land mass of Asia becomes cold while the adjacent oceans are comparatively warm. High pressure develops over Central Asia and Northwest India. It results in a reversal of wind direction so that land to sea wind blows and replacing sea to land wind, that is south-west monsoons. These are dry and are known as the northeast monsoons in India. While moving over to Bay of Bengal, these dry winds pick up a moisturizer and cause rainfall over the southeast coastal and Tamil Nadu of India. And second reason is the region of Tamil Nadu coastal rains in the rain shadow zone of Coromandel Hills and the Deccan Plateau, Western Ghats of the Arabian Sea. Current of the southwest monsoons, Tamil Nadu coastal also does not lie in the trajectory of Bay of Bengal. Current of the southwest monsoon, thus southwest coast of India remains devoid of rainfall from southwest monsoon due to its shadow zone of Arabian branch of the southwest monsoon. So I hope this you would have understood better. So we'll get into another question also, today's special. And today's another question is, explain the causes of Indian monsoon. It was asked for 150 words. 2001. The origin and onset of the southwest monsoon is highly complex phenomena, and no single factors or theory can be fully explained it. The following factors have been understood to gauge the outset of monsoon in India. Differential heating of land and sea during the summer months. The large landmass of the north of India Ocean, Central and South Asia gets instantly heated during April and May. This causes the formation of the intense low pressure in the northwestern part of the subcontinent. Since the pressure of the ocean to the south of this landmass is high, the low pressure cell attracts the wind from high pressure cell. Thus say the southeast trade winds and start flowing from the subtropical high pressure belt towards the equatorial low. These winds are deflected to high right towards Indian subcontinent after crossing the equator to reach India as southwesterly wind. Indian with the moisture being marine or oceanic and cause heavily rainfall. Next one is upper air current or jet streams. Another related phenomenon making the understanding of monsoon even more complex is the withdrawal of waterly jet streams, and it is the withdrawal of the waterly jet streams, and it is the replacement by the exterly jet stream from the region North Indian plains. This easterly jet streams is believed to be Indian plains. This responsible for sudden outbreak monsoon in India because it stirs into India the rain-bearing storms, cyclone from the tropics, which causes widespread rainfall. Its cooling effect leads to precipitation from marine. The unstable equatorial oceanic current is able to form communal clouds, often up to an elevations of 9 to 15 kilometer high into the sky. This is why widespread storms and thunders are generally associated with the outbreak of monsoon, often covering the entire country in the brief span of only a few days. Southern oscillations, it refers to the kind of sea relationship between the air masses lying over the Pacific Ocean and those are over the Indian Ocean. Whenever surface pressures is high in the subtropical region in the northern Pacific, the pressure of southern India Ocean tends to be low and vice versa. On this depends the exact time and the strength of the shifting of trade across the equator. So I hope you would have understood all these three questions with the answer, detailed explanations. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel. If you have any comments or questions, you can you can comment below. That will be helpful for me to make a quality video in future. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.